Hi everyone, tudo bom? This is Darcy and today I have a super easy DIY lactic acid face mask that will help you with discoloration, to tighten the pores with anti-aging, and will leave your skin super soft and smooth. It only uses two super easy to find ingredients: powdered milk and raw apple cider vinegar. So if you want to learn how to make it, keep on watching. But before we get to the video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button to make sure you don't miss any of my future videos. Now let's get to it. Milk is a natural lactic acid that helps to stimulate collagen. It helps with wrinkles and dark spots, and apple cider vinegar is very high in alpha hydroxy acids, which also helps with wrinkles, discoloration, acne. So those two ingredients together are very simple but very potent. This mask will tingle a little bit and will cause some redness after it's done, but the redness should go away. Make sure you do a patch test first to make sure you're not having any adverse reactions, but a little bit of redness, it's normal. It won't make your face peel off, so don't worry about that. It will just cause a little bit of redness, but you will have a nice, beautiful glow the next day. So I highly suggest you also do this mask in the evening, so that way you wake up and your skin is fine back to normal. Also, alpha hydroxy acids and lactic acid make your skin more sensitive to the sun. So if you do this mask, always make sure to use your sunblock. You should always use your sun protection anyways, but especially after this mask, it helps to protect your skin because it causes more sun sensitivity. To do a patch test, you can do on your forearm or on your neck, just a little patch of the mask. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, wash it off, wait 24 hours and observe the area, make sure there's no adverse reactions, and if your skin looks normal, then I suggest you use the mask the next day. All you're gonna need is 1 tablespoon of powdered milk and 2.5 tablespoons of raw apple cider vinegar. Mix it up until you have a nice creamy consistency. To apply the mask, make sure to remove all your makeup and wash your face. Apply all over the face. Avoid the eye area because it has vinegar on it. You don't want to risk getting into your eyes. My eyes are sensitive, so it gets a little watery. And wait 5 to 10 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water and followed by a regular skincare routine. I washed my face. I actually left it on for 7 minutes because I lost a little bit track of time. I was checking some emails, but I usually leave it on for between 5 and 10 minutes. And just I washed it off, and you guys can see it's a little bit red, but nothing crazy. It's just a little bit flush and it doesn't hurt. There's no sensitivity like I have when I have allergic reactions. This is not an allergic reaction. This is just a normal flush from the actual acids. The redness should subside between like half an hour to an hour. And if for any reason you have bad reactions to face masks, even this one, if you don't do the patch test, because sometimes people don't do the patch test, I will leave a recipe below as well that helps with redness and any irritations, which is the oatmeal face mask, and I'll leave the recipe below, but always do the patch test guide. It is an amazing mask and I know you guys will love it. So if you have any other questions, make sure to comment below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.